Hey, whenever I find a tip, I'm going to share it. I've already picked up quite a bit of dirt here, but if you have some areas that are a little bit more difficult, just try rubbing this sideways. When I've got it here, I'm just going to go like this as I pull it back. Okay, just in this area here, I've got it on deep clean, I've got it on the wash cycle, I've got it on deep clean, and away I go. As a vacuum just to suck up some of the residue of the cleaning solution. Just using it as a vacuum right now. Now I can put it on the rinse cycle. Just fresh water and that's it. Hot water. Now I'm going to spray it on there. Got my finger on the control, back and forth, both directions for a little bit, get some extra water on there. Now I can just use it as a vacuum. I can still see suds coming up here, so I know there's more cleaning solution that I have to get up. I'm going to press some more water on here. I'm just going to use it as a vacuum. Now I'm going to put just water on it, back and forth, with my finger on the trigger the whole time. Just saturating it. I can use it just as a vacuum right now, no water. Now here it go high because, hear that? I'm not getting any suction, am I? That's because this carpet dips down to the threshold a little bit, and I lost contact with the suction. The little popper came up, and now it's back. I can look at the water. I've got quite a bit of suds in there too, but I think I can still use it a little bit longer. Once I go a little bit further, no matter what I do, if it pops up, that's the time I gotta change it. Change the water. You see there, it pops straight up. So that tells me that it's not full all the way, but see all the suds in there? That's because this area was so dirty. Because going back and forth out through there, that's where, you're going to have some trouble spots in your house, wherever. And see, I picked up that much dirt and grime, and all that suds means there's it's just lots of dirt there, okay? So I'm going to have to keep working on that a little bit more. So I know I still have to dump some more fresh water on there. No more soap suds or anything. I just filled this up with hot water, and now I'm just going to put some more hot water on here, and hot water only. And then I'll suck up some of it, and then at the end I just don't put any more water on it, and I just use it as a vacuum. still. That tells me the floor still has more suds in there. So I'm going to press a little bit more water on there. Okay, there's my spot cleaning around that door. That pulled up lots of grime. And see, just that last little bit, I still got lots of foam in there. See there? There's the foam layer, and there's the milky color. That's still dirt. And, you know, I could do a once over on that again, or I can call that good. And in a couple months, try it again. Or I could put a mat out there. Usually we leave the mat outside. I don't usually like to leave a mat inside because then it's kind of unsightly. Plus the bottom of the mat kind of starts wearing on your carpet and you can get a discoloration mark around your door. Okay. All right. Now I'm gonna keep going. And you remember this is the room here where I put my simple green down along this edge. I'm glad I did that, and it already looks cleaner in certain areas. And once I get done with the carpet cleaner, that's going to look nice right up to the edge of the tile. Well, got her all done. That looks way better. I picked up quite a bit of stuff, usually around your bed, around the sides and the front is soiled, around the dressers. I got that. I even did over here on this side, and I ran right into the closet, only about 3 feet or so, because like I say, the carpet's wasn't that dirty, but it was dirtier than I thought from the time that we had it clean. My word, only a couple months ago. And we used that Kim Dry. They talked us, the carpet cleaner talked us, the carpet repair guy talked us into using Kim Dry. He says, oh, it doesn't get the carpets wet and all that. I wasn't really too happy with the overall end product. And this carpet is fairly old anyways. I don't mind if it gets a little bit wet. I mean, you saw all the dirt that it got up. And now I can do spot carpet cleaning on my own. Okay. So now I got to take that into the other room. And the cleaning stuff, the cleaning fluid that I used didn't last very long. And so I put the simple green in there. You can now see the little compartment for that. And I put straight concentrate in there about 3/4 of the way, and I put a little bit of water in there just to fill it up, but it still mixes in here. I didn't want to get too much. I just thought I would try the simple green in this carpet cleaner. And like I say, I used to use simple green in my other carpet cleaner all the time, and I never had any problems. And I used it in this area right in here, and then I rinsed it, and it took any residue off of the top, and I'm good to go. And it's still slightly wet even after sucking all the stuff up, but I don't mind, because simple green, as it's drying, it's still cleaning. So I did some spots around here with my simple green, my spray bottle, and I used this brush this time. That brush actually worked pretty good. And you can see, like if I just did spot spraying on here, once it dried, it would have just a slight green hue on it on this particular carpet. I used to do it all the time on carpets in Maui, and I wouldn't get any green hue on it at all, but it almost looks like a pet stain after you after you put it on and let it dry. And what I used to do is let it dry, and then I would take a bucket with just water and a brush and brush it all in and try to do it that way before I started using my carpet cleaner. Okay? So I put different spots on here, and that's been sitting just for a few minutes. And now I'm ready to go again. So I've got a door here going outside onto the deck. I'm going to pay special attention to that, and then special attention between the carpet and the tile, special attention along this edge, and special attention on this edge right in here. Okay? And if I do this little swath right here in front of the fireplace and stuff, I don't have to do it that good because it's already been cleaned a few months ago. But I just wanted to do an overall, because the little spots here and there were starting to bug me, and I thought, I've got to break out that new carpet cleaner, and I'm glad I did.